My name is Anmol Gupta and today we would be solving the NSEM question 1. So the question 1 for maths NSEM is in a room containing 20,000 cubic feet of air, 600 cubic feet of fresh air flows in per minute and the mixture is always practically uniform and the air exhausted is at a rate of 600 cubic feet per minute. So we have to find what is the amount of fresh air at any time t, provided that at time equals to 0 there was no fresh air, that is 0, and we have to also find the time at which 90% of the air will be fresh. So this question has kind of two parts. So let us proceed. First of all, we are given that the volume equals to 20,000 and at time equals to 0, the amount of fresh air is 0. So here I have taken y as an integer which denotes the amount of fresh air at any time t. So let y be amount of fresh air at any time t. So if we have to find the rate of change of y, that is y dash t, sorry, so it would be change of fresh air inflow minus the mixed air outflow. So yt is the rate of change and we know that rate of inflow is 600 and outflow would be, so we are given 600 cubic per minute of air is thrown out, so that is 600 by 20,000 into y. So that is the rate of fresh air outflow. Sorry, it would be fresh air outflow. So our equation would be 600 minus 600 upon 20,000 y. So it comes out to be 600 minus 0.03 y dash. So as you can see, this is a linear differential equation, and now upon rearranging it, it can be written as, so this represents the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q, and these type of differential equations, here first of all to solve it we find the integrating factor. So here the integrating factor would be e to the power 0.03 dt. I'm sorry, here it would be y. So the integrating factor is e to the power p dt. So here the integrating factor upon integrating this, it would become 0.03 t, right? So upon now further solving it, it would be e to the power 0.03 y dash plus 0.03 e to the power 0.03 t equals to 600 e 0.03 t. Now on further simplifying it, it would be now upon integrating it, we will get 600 into e to the power 0.03 t upon 0.03 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. I hope you can see it clearly. plus this comes here, so it will be in the denominator as e to the power 0.03 t, right? So it will become so this will be the general solution. This will be the general solution. Now using the initial condition of y equals to 0, initial condition y equals to 0, we will calculate c. So on putting y equals to 0, we can clearly see that c equals to minus 20,000. So on substituting it, we will get so this is the amount of air at any time t. Now in the second part, we have to find the time at which 90% of air is fresh. That is 90% of the volume of the cube, which is 90 upon 100, 90% into 20,000, which is the volume. So it would be 18,000. So here y equals to 18,000. Now upon substituting this here, we will get e to the power minus 0.03 t equals to 0.1. So what was given in the second question, in the second part of the question, was that we had to find the time at which 90% of the air was fresh. So since the volume of the tank is 20,000, we will multiply 20,000 into by 90%, which gives us 18,000. Now this 18,000 is the value of y, which we'll substitute here. And now on substituting here, the equation becomes like this. So now on to simplify it further, so from here we will need to find a value of t, which is pretty easy. We just need to take ln on both sides. So we will get minus 0.03 t equals to ln of 0.1. And now using the help of scientific calculator, we will calculate that t roughly equals to 76.7 minutes, but we will which is roughly equal to 76.7. so t is roughly equal to 77 minutes. So that is our question number 1.